Righto, let's go. So today I'm just out on a test ride, testing out my new braided brake lines. Spent the weekend fitting them. First time I've ever replaced brake lines. It's not a fun job. What do we got? Nothing. It says to replace them. I just, with the rear, I just pumped as much fluid out as I could, removed the hose, fitted the new one, filled up the fluid and started pumping away, and it took me friggin' ages. So the front ends, I did the same, pumped out all the old fluid, removed the old hose, fitted the new ones. So I've got two separate hoses now. So it's a little bit different to fit. So on the bottom triple clamp there was one hose clamp, one hose holder suited for one hose, so I removed it and I used it down on the right fork leg because that didn't have a clamp, it just had the T-piece bolted on. Then I used the old hose holder from the top triple clamp. I bolted it onto the bottom triple clamp. So no longer needed on the top one because I've got a fork shelf there. So then I spent pretty much the whole day just trying to bleed those brakes, and man, I had a hard time with it. I was doing it wrong, so that didn't help. And after a while I discovered the left caliper, the banjo, was leaking. So I was pumping air out, then sucking it back in, so that's why I wasn't getting anywhere. So just on my test ride, they do feel better. They do feel a lot better than they were. They were just getting very soft feeling. Far out. I still can't get used to people doing U-turns at traffic lights. It's illegal in New South Wales where I come from. Oh, that feels good. Oops, hit neutral. Nothing behind me. Oh, back locks up easy. Probably should go down a few gears. Tell you what, I'll just hit the front and not bad. Oh, a freaking Stanley knife in the middle of the street. Look at that, sitting in the middle of the freaking road. Rightio, we'll report back in at the end of the week. Yeah, so the brakes feeling heaps better, got heaps more feel to it. Before you'd squeeze them in and it felt like you could just keep squeezing and it wouldn't break any harder. But like I said earlier, the brake lines were 12 years old, 111,000 Ks old, so it's a big improvement over those. Yeah, honestly, I don't think I would rush out and replace them if the bike was new. I wouldn't, as a performance upgrade, I probably wouldn't bother, not on the V-Strom anyway. Yes, thanks a lot for watching. Any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.